Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little ponytail holder. So let's get started. First thing I do is take my measuring tool, which is either centimeters on one side and inches on the other, and I'm going to lay this down on the centimeter side. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, I have it folded in half, I'm going to lay it into my mini Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm going to take my zebra print ribbon, I'm just going to fold it in half, and then in the center I'm going to make like a little mountain and scrunch that in. So that way you won't have to sew it like you normally would if you're making a hair bow. Then I'm going to do the same thing with my mountain here and lay this down in here. And then take this piece and I'm just going to lay this down in the center here. Then what I'm going to do is we're going to make the boutique part of the bow. What I'm going to do is I've folded my ribbon in half. I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon. Again, I'm going to do my little mountain and scrunch that down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take this side, take the right side of the ribbon and scrunch that in. And then I'm going to take this one, fold it over so you have like an X, and bring it back. And then I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon, put that down, and scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'll take the lower one and scrunch that in. And this way I have it 6.5 centimeters on that side. And I just want to make sure that it's 6.5 centimeters on this side. I'm going to do the same thing here and do my little mountain and scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'll take my wand. Well, actually, I'm using the mini Bowdabra. Take the wand and scrunch everything down. I'm going to take this piece. Again, I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon, scrunch that in, and come back around, take the right side of the ribbon, scrunch that in, and scrunch this all down into the center here. And then again, I'm going to take my wand, give everything a really good scrunch, then take my wire, bring it back, and the reason I folded it in half is now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull everything really tight while it's still in my mini Bowdabra, pull it out, and separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to just tie a knot here and double knot it. And now I would probably, what I've already done here is tied a knot. And so now I'm going to take this and put the knot right in the center, bring this around to the back, and I'm going to cheat here. I would probably use a glue gun or a fabric fuse. So I'm just going to lay my zot here and bring this there, and then take another little zot. And I love these zots, and I'll put a link as to where you can get them in the description. And bring that there, and just cut this little end here. And then what I'm going to do is take my ponytail holder, put that in here, and tie a knot, and tie another knot, and then just clip the ends of my wire. And now you have this adorable little boutique style ponytail holder.